Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 25 Westridge Road. This is a 3-bedroom property with a large garden to the rear. And then moving into the property, and we've got the hallway here with an understairs storage pantry. And then the first reception room here on the right hand side. Which also has a bay window facing towards the front aspect. And continuing into the main living room, which is a particularly good size. Having sliding doors leading out into the garden. And then across, we have the study and also ground floor WC. And wash basin in here as well. And then going through to the kitchen. Great space here with integrated cooker, dishwasher and hob. And then we have a view across the garden and a further door leading to outside. And then moving up to the first floor, we have the landing area here. Nice spacious area with a window to the front aspect. And then we have first bedroom. Really well presented throughout. Again, bay window facing towards the front of the house. Around to the next bedroom. So from here we have fitted wardrobes. And also good view across the garden. And coming around to the third bedroom, which is a really good size. And then into the bathroom, which is well fitted with a separate shower cubicle. And roll top bath. Okay, then just moving outside into the rear garden. So the decked area leading on to the main lawned garden. Then we have a lovely sitting area here. Just look back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then just give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye. for now.